1 and 30 next to each other, and 15 and something next to each other. 15 and 16. Where are they numbered? Where's my master?
The alignment is perfect, but like everything is within spec. So like in the back, for example, the furthest 0.13, 0.15 I wouldn't touch, but like this 0.08, like if you wanted to, well, so this is what it is right now. Okay. I haven't even done the alignment thing. Okay. So that's what I'm saying. If it was me, I would get closer, personally. But if you're like, look, if it's all on the I don't want nothing, then I would try.
I haven't had no problems driving or anything like that.
Yeah.
You know, as far as it goes.
Yeah.
I mean, I take some bumps to go to
It's up to you. I would get everything. If it was me, I would personally get it closer.
That's fine.
Okay. I just wanted to make sure before I did it, decide if it was going to be beforehand, if I could do it.
Yeah, this is what you gotta do.
Okay. Okay. All right, thank you. Absolutely. Make sure that.
I thought maybe there was something wrong with
No,
the
no,
or something.
no, nothing's wrong. No, the parts are moving right to be wrong. I just wanted to show you the line beforehand. Thank you. Green is greener.
So the problem with doing it the way you just watched me do it is now I'm off a tooth, so I have to get everything spun a tooth to the left. You guys not looking what I'm looking at? Sorry. So we got got this little arrow right here. I want that to be perfectly lined up with that guy.